Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to create a server using Express framework. So first of all we have to go to the Google and just type here Express npm. So here npm stands for Node Package Manager. So just to go here and you can see just copy here because it is a way to install, and I'm just going to use cmd. Okay, now I will just use here. So once you will enter the command, after that it will download the package. Once the package has been downloaded, then what we can do, we have to just go save one file. I'm just going to use same location, so this time Express server. Okay, I'm just going to copy this one .js. Now what we can do, we have to just use where express. So this time we have to use Express framework. So what we can do, we have to just use Express. Now we need to create an object, so what we can do, just add equal to Express. Now we need to create a server. So what we can do, so just use app dot listen. So here listen is again we are using to listen some port, because when the request will come from the client side we have to listen, otherwise how we can handle that request. So I'm going to use here 3000. So if you use this one like also, it is also correct, but we need to identify like server is running or not. So what we can do here, we're just going to use function, then open close. Here I'm going to just give one console logger console, then we can type some message like, I'm just going to give here server running. So you can see, first of all I have required the Express framework. So Express package we have required npm. After that we have created object app. After that we are listening 3000 port, and for like knowledge purpose we are just using on console.log. So what we can do, we have to go same, first of all this one, open the file location and just type cmd. So just type node and just use Express server file name. So you can see here it is showing server running because we have given here. Now what will happen, if I will go here and if I just run here, you can see it's showing here cannot get. So it means like it is going for one API. So what is this one, I will explain in next video. Thank you guys.